Hey, so you're watching me and Migo. Oh, by the way, hi. Don't mind my lazy, clothing that I don't normally wear in videos, but it's what I'm wearing right now because I'm lazy. Anyways, welcome back to this dog. Come here. He's searching for stuff to bite. Come here. Bubbles. Migo. Say hi. Whatever. Migo said, whatever. Come here. You don't want belly rubs? Okay. Cute. Oh, thank you. Nice to meet you. Paw. Migo, give me paw. 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 Give me paw. Thank you. Okay, he's biting me now. Paw. Give me paw. 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 Give me paw. Paw. Migo, give me paw. Give me paw. You want a paw? Paw. Thank you, bro. Okay, he's biting my hand again. I know. Oh, you want to go hard? Don't bite my foot. Don't bite my sandals. Y'all, dog. Okay, no, you're not having these. No. Oh, don't put your hands on me. No. Oh, look it. Oh, can't get it now. He's trying to get the sandal. No, you can't get it. He's trying to get the sandal. Let me see. Are you gonna go crazy? I don't think he's going crazy. Let me see. Are you gonna go crazy? Oh, he just wants to sit. He does look mean, but actually he's a very silly, very goofy. How, Papa? Some people are scared of him. I don't know why, but he's actually very nice. I don't know, but I may upload pictures of him when he was like 10. Still showing your butt. Okay, he's laying down over there by the door. I may post pictures of him when I was a baby, but I need to figure out how to edit videos like a real YouTuber. Let's see. Migo! My foot. Hi, Papa. Hi, Papa. He's being very comfy right now. What do you want to do now? Play Candyland? Huh? Don't give me bombastic side eye. Not today. Hey! 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 Come here. Wait a you. Migo, you're fine. What was that? Going to check it out. Don't bite the charger. You're gonna get electrocuted. Kisses. Besito. No besitos. Recreating his life decisions right now. Hi, Popeyes.